you guys so much. We're out on a little walk here at Point Woronzof. If you already saw the other video, this is part 2. We're just sitting here, aren't we? Aren't we, Kippy? Yeah. Sitting here enjoying a Sunday overlooking downtown Anchorage, Alaska. I appreciate the commentary, Kippy. Cadbury's pretty tired. We're gonna start heading back. You ready to go back, Cadbury? Alright. Always kiss your dogs goodnight. There's the port of Anchorage down there. There's the city of Anchorage there. Yeah. And the British Petroleum building is viewable from there. So this is a sleeping lady, Mount Susitna. It's a gorgeous day. Always kiss your dogs goodnight.
Oh my god. That's so funny.
You guys make it hard for me to stay level. So that plane just went over here. The reason I started recording was because this. What is that on the ground? That's a bicycle rack, right? Got the chain on it and everything. And a couple barriers, right? To keep people out. Well, it looks like it has collapsed and fallen all the way down the hill. It's like, how can that be such an unsafe spot right there? Whoa. Did you hear that? Did you hear that wind? You hear it? Did you hear that? It's crazy. I just saw some whirlwinds out there, water tornadoes, and I tried to capture it, and next thing I know, it wasn't recording. So irritated. I've seen them twice, and once it was not that long ago, and now I'm trying not to be mad right now, but because it's one of those things where, how can I time something like that? You know, it's just something like you just have to be there when it happens. And maybe it does it every day. If I sit out here long enough, I will capture them.